Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going on a journey beyond the basics, diving deep into something truly remarkable, the incredible design of the female body. We often hear about the obvious things, but have you ever stopped to think about the intricate, genius-level engineering that's happening inside every single day? It's like discovering a secret world of superpowers you never knew you had. Let's start with something we all experience but rarely appreciate: the menstrual cycle. It's so much more than just a monthly inconvenience. Think of it as a sophisticated biological symphony. Every month, your body, orchestrated by a complex interplay of hormones like estrogen and progesterone, prepares a potential home for new life. It's a process of renewal, of cleaning house and getting ready, a rhythm as ancient as humanity itself. This isn't just biology. It's a testament to endurance and the cyclical nature of life. It's your body's built-in reset button, a powerful reminder of its capacity for creation and resilience. And speaking of creation, let's talk about the pelvis. The female pelvis is an architectural masterpiece. Compared to the male pelvis, it's generally wider and more circular. Why? It's brilliantly designed to be a protective cradle during pregnancy and a flexible gateway during childbirth. During pregnancy, a hormone called relaxin is released, which does exactly what its name suggests. It relaxes the ligaments, allowing the pelvic bones to shift and expand. It's your body's own natural, built-in engineering, making space for a baby to grow and pass through safely. It's an incredible feat of flexibility and strength, designed to perform one of the most amazing acts in nature. Now, let's move on to another superpower: a heightened sense of smell. Have you ever noticed you can detect scents others miss? Studies suggest that women, on average, have more cells in their olfactory bulb, the part of the brain that processes smells. This isn't just a fun party trick. Evolutionarily, this could have been crucial for identifying safe foods, recognizing kin, and even sensing danger. During pregnancy, this ability can become even more pronounced. It's like having a built-in safety sensor, finely tuned to protect both yourself and your potential offspring. It's another subtle but powerful tool in your biological toolkit. And what about the brain? For a long time, we've been fed simplified stories, but modern neuroscience shows us a much more fascinating picture. Research indicates that the female brain often has more connections between the left and right hemispheres. This could be linked to a greater ability to integrate logic and intuition, to multitask not just with your hands, but with your thoughts. It might explain a heightened capacity for empathy and social cognition, the ability to read a room or understand what someone is feeling without them saying a word. This isn't about being better, it's about being differently wired, with strengths that have allowed women to build communities, nurture relationships, and lead with a unique blend of heart and mind. Let's also talk about fat distribution. Society has unfortunately attached a lot of negative stigma to body fat, but from a biological standpoint, it's a strategic resource. Women naturally store more fat around the hips, thighs, and buttocks. This isn't random. It's a vital energy reserve. These fat stores are rich in specific nutrients, like DHA, which is crucial for the development of a baby's brain during pregnancy and breastfeeding. So, what is often seen as a cosmetic issue is actually your body's way of being a self-contained, long-term provider. It's your personal energy pack, strategically placed to support the next generation. It's a beautiful example of how your body prioritizes health and life. Another incredible aspect is pain perception. While it's a complex topic, some studies show that women may have a different, sometimes higher, tolerance for certain types of pain, especially when compared to the monumental task of childbirth. The body's ability to produce powerful endorphins, its natural painkillers, during labor is nothing short of amazing. It's a system that allows for an act of incredible physical intensity. This resilience isn't just physical, it's mental. It speaks to a deep, inherent strength that has allowed women to endure and thrive through challenges for millennia. Your body is built for endurance, equipped with its own internal support system. And we can't forget the skin. Women's skin is, on average, thinner and has less collagen than men's, but it's also incredibly sensitive and responsive. This heightened sensitivity isn't a weakness, it's a feature. It allows for a more nuanced sense of touch, crucial for bonding and caregiving. Think about the gentleness of a mother's touch calming a baby. That communication happens through the skin. Furthermore, your skin is a master of thermoregulation. Women's bodies are often better at conserving heat, pulling blood flow towards the core organs to keep them warm. It's a survival mechanism, ensuring that the body's central engine room stays protected, no matter the external temperature. Let's also touch on the voice. The female vocal cords are typically shorter and thinner, which is why women's voices are generally higher pitched. But there's more to it. The female voice has an incredible range of tones and inflections. Studies have shown that babies respond more readily to higher pitched, more melodic voices. This isn't a coincidence. It's a communication tool, perfectly designed for connection and nurturing. It is another example of how every detail of the female body is intricately woven into the larger story of life, connection, and survival. Your voice isn't just for speaking. It's an instrument of bonding. Finally, let's appreciate the immune system. The female immune system is often described as more robust. It's quicker to detect and react to pathogens. This powerful defense mechanism is linked to the X chromosome and female hormones. While this can also make women more susceptible to autoimmune diseases, it means your body is a fierce protector, constantly on guard. It's a powerful internal army working 24/7 to keep you healthy and strong, ready to defend not just one life, but potentially two. The female body is not just a collection of parts. It's an integrated, intelligent system designed for resilience, creation, and connection. From the monthly cycle of renewal to the architectural genius of the pelvis, the heightened senses, and the uniquely wired brain, it is a testament to the power and beauty of nature's design. It's a source of incredible strength that deserves to be celebrated, understood, and admired every single day. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey today. I hope this gives you a new lens through which to see and appreciate the amazing capabilities within. If you found this fascinating, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. See you in the next one.